Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add timestamps in your video. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your YouTube app on your phone, and then in the search bar type in timestamps green screen. Click on search and then scroll down. So you've got a 2-hour timestamp here. If you keep scrolling down, there's a few more you can pick from. So you've got a 1-minute timestamp if you want to use that. But if it's a 5-minute, 10-minute, just type it in on search and it'll come up. So we're just going to use this 1-minute one for now. So I'm going to click into it.
Did someone say
Wait for the ad to load. Alright, once you've skipped the ad, if you get one, click on to share and then click on copy link. And now you want to head over to your web browser. And then once you've opened up your web browser, go to ssyoutube.com and then simply paste in your link here, like so, and wait for it to load, and then you can download it. So download the 1080.mp4, that's probably the best version here. So click on download. Or that one doesn't work, so maybe use the one that says no sound, so click on that. Just wait for this to load and pop up. Go back. Here it is here. So click on the 3 dots if you come to this page, and then click on download. And as you can see, it's downloading here. Wait for that to load. Alright, now that is downloaded. So go back to your main screen and then open up Capcut. And now find that video where you want to add that timestamp. So for this example, I'm just going to click this random one here. Alright, as you can see, that's my random video. And as you can see, on the bottom, there's an icon called overlay. Click onto that. And then click on add overlay. And then add that green screen video you downloaded just before. And then click on add. And there it is added to this video at the bottom of the screen. And now select the position of the timestamp. So for this example, just click and hold. Like so. I'm going to position about there. Looks good to me. But as you can see, there's a green screen here. We want to get that removed. So to do that, you simply scroll across down the bottom here and look for remove BG. So click on remove BG. And then click on chroma key, and then right here you'll see this key here, so move that to pick the color you want to remove. So right there, as you can see, it's green, so that's good. And now click on intensity and scroll this all the way to the right, or a little bit too much, keep it about in the middle, and then click on done. And if I press play, there's your timestamp for the video. So that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.